वहीं बनाएंगे, उसको कौन रोकेगा।
हमारे रामलला अब टेंट में नहीं रहेंगे।
Decades of wait and anticipation. Immense devotion for years. Legal hurdles and court battles. And then the mega construction. What began as a centuries-old dream has now risen as a monumental piece of architecture, blending devotion with modern craftsmanship.
सदियों का अभूतपूर्व धैर्य, अनगिनत बलिदान, त्याग और तपस्या के बाद हमारे प्रभु राम आ गए।
Now the construction of Ram Mandir in Temple Town, Ayodhya is finally complete. This historic event will be marked by grand celebrations. Prime Minister will be in Ayodhya on Tuesday for the Dhwajarohan at the Shikhar of Ram Mandir.
While discussing the flag ceremony, we were finding some muhurta, and in November we thought the best muhurta is 25th November. But after that, we came to know that Panchami is called Vivaha Panchami in Ayodhya, and that is the anniversary day of marriage of Bhagavan Shri Ram and Bhagavati Sita.
The raising of the saffron flag or the Dharm Dhwaj will symbolize the completion of the Ram temple's construction.
खूब तैयारी है, होगा भंडारा होगा। यहाँ तो अन्य क्षेत्र हमारा चलता है, बराबर चल रहा है, खूब चलेगा। हमारे यहाँ तो कोरोना काल में भी नहीं बंद हुआ, कोरोना काल में भी खूब चला, मंदिर का गेट नहीं बंद हुआ।
लेकिन जितनी बड़ी संख्या में श्रद्धालु और भक्तजन आ सकते थे वो नहीं आ पाए।
भंडारे में जरूर आएंगे, खूब आएंगे,
भंडारे में खूब आएंगे,
कोई नहीं रोक पाएगा।
Thousands of devotees are in Ayodhya to witness the temple in its final form.
पुख्ता यहाँ पर सिक्योरिटी है और बहुत अच्छा लगा। बहुत सारी सुविधाएं हैं यहाँ पे। बहुत
ध्वजारोहण हो रहा है जिसकी तरह से आधिकारिक ऐलान है कि राम मंदिर निर्माण पूर्ण हुआ है।
हाँ बिल्कुल ऐलान है ये। बहुत मतलब ये एक हिंदुत्व के लिए बहुत अच्छा है और
बहुत शान और गर्व की बात है कि मोदी जी के आने से हमारा ध्वजारोहण हो रहा है और बहुत बढ़िया।
The event will be attended by thousands of guests, including representatives from the Dalit, transgender and Aghori communities to convey a message of social equality.
Often people say that the Hindus are divided amongst various caste and creed, but the effort is to unite all Hindus irrespective of what your caste may be, what your creed may be. You know, Dalit, Vanchit, the Kinnar Samaj, they will all be here. You know, the EBCs, the OBCs, various classifications. The Prime Minister will interact with all of them and they will all be a part of the grand ceremony tomorrow.
Completion of the Ram temple complex in Ayodhya is more a testament to perseverance and symbol of unity.
The Divya Bhavya Navya Ram temple in Ayodhya, and right behind me there you see the magnificent Dharm Dhwaj. Take a look at the Dharm Dhwaj that will be unfurled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the Sri Ram temple in Ayodhya. This signifies the Ram Rajya or the Sri Ram temple at Ayodhya.